Welcome back, collectors and crafters! Today I am reviewing all of these fun STEM kits from Thames Kosmos, sent to me by Chiscom. Big thanks to Thames Kosmos and Chiscom for sending me these STEM kits as a gift for free. We have the Groovy Glowing Candy Lab, the Yummy Rainbow Lip Balm Lab, and the Sweet Candy Perfume Lab. I honestly don't know which one I'm most excited about. So let's open them up and then I can tell you which one is my favorite. We'll go ahead and start with the Groovy Glowing Candy Lab. Make your own groovy glowing gummies, plus make glowing ice cubes and glowing hard candy. Hey candy chemists! Make yummy candies that actually glow in the dark. A small amount of a safe, natural ingredient, riboflavin, or vitamin B2 causes these candies to glow under the included black light flashlight. Learn about the chemistry of glowing materials and pigments, the physics of light, and electromagnetic waves, and more science behind these delicious treats. And this panel on the back of the box shows us all of the extra ingredients we will need to make our experiments. There are also some nutritional facts on the side of the box, and it's also important to note that this STEM kit is not suitable for children under 6 years old. All right, here we go. Let's see what's inside. Looks like we have a bag with our mixtures and powders. We have glowing fruit punch sugar, glowing tropical pineapple sugar, sour mix, and a gelatin pouch. And our little UV flashlight. We have some extra little baggies to put our candies in. Ooh, and here we have our molds. Those look cool. Then we have some fun candy stickers and our manual, which gives us our safety and first aid information, as well as our step-by-step instructions. So first, we'll start with our glowing gummies. Here is the list of things we'll need. So let's gather it all up. And now we can get started. Okay, our first step wants us to take our oil and start coating our molding tray. I found that this was much easier to do with just using my fingers. The next step is to take one of our sugars and add 3 tablespoons of it to our bowl. Then we add 1 tablespoon of our gelatin. Stir the mixture together and add 4 tablespoons of water. And mix again. And once it's completely mixed, we take it and place it in the microwave for 30 to 40 seconds. I let it cool down for about a minute and then I start spooning it into our molds. I repeat the process with our other sugar and try to create my own little half and half experiments. Once it is all full, I will take it and put it in the refrigerator to chill for 10 minutes. Oh my gosh! Check them out! They turned out so much better than I thought they would. Now let's see how they glow. Lights out! Oh my gosh! Look at how much they glow! This is so cool! All right, now let's take them out and see how they feel and taste. Okay, these have a very different consistency than I thought they would. They're like Jell-O, but a little bit harder. And here are all of them out of their molds. They look pretty great. And they taste very sweet. Now we have the extra option of grabbing a Ziploc bag with a teaspoon of the sour mix, adding some of our gummies, and shaking it up to make some sour glowing gummy candies. So I'll just take one of our stickers and add it to our Ziploc baggie. Then we can put this in our fridge and store it for up to a week. Now let's try out our glowing ice cubes. So first, I take the rest of each sugar pouch and pour them into 12 tablespoons of water. Then we stir that up until the sugar dissolves. And pour it into your molds, or in my case, a silicone ice cube tray. Obviously this gets really messy, so be careful, protect your surfaces. And here are the solid ice cubes. I just let them sit in the fridge overnight. They don't really glow as well as the gummies, but let's take them out and see how well they glow in some soda water. Now they are glowing pretty well. I don't think the camera can pick up on it very well, but they are glowing. Not as well as the gummies, but there you go. Now I'm so excited to move on to the Yummy Rainbow Lip Balm Lab. There are 8 jars and bottles for storing your cosmetics. Decorate and label your lip balms with stickers. And explore the chemistry of lip care products and the biology of skin and lips. This STEM kit is for ages 8+. On the back, we have a display of all of the items included, and it says this cosmetics laboratory includes a special workstation and all the ingredients, containers, and tools you need to make up to 6 lip balms in clear plastic jars and 2 lip glosses in glass rollerball applicator bottles. Explore the biology of skin and lips and the chemistry of lip balms and glosses while learning simple lab techniques. Thoroughly tested to the highest standards for cosmetic and toy safety. All right, let's get it all out. Here is our manual, and we have this cool little tray to put all of our ingredients on. There's a couple pink measuring cups, some baby oil, some soy ester, 2 lip gloss jars with rolling applicators, 6 little lip balm jars, with a beautiful flower pattern on the bottom of the jars, a couple of mixing and measuring spoons, some wood stirring sticks, and a little bag filled with all of our colors and flavors. There's red color, yellow color, blue color, strawberry flavor, grape flavor, banana flavor, and lip shimmer. And there's also some berry wax dots. Look at how perfectly everything fits on the tray. This is like an organizational dream. Oops, I also forgot to mention that there are some stickers. All right, let's grab a jar and make our first lip balm. Okay, so our first step is to gather a spoonful of our soy ester and place it into our small measuring cup. Then we scoop up about 12 wax dots and put them in our measuring cup. Then we grab our larger measuring cup and fill it to the 35 milliliter line with water and place it in the microwave for 45 seconds. Once we have our warm water, we place our smaller measuring cup inside the larger measuring cup so that everything in the smaller measuring cup melts nicely. Then we can go ahead and take out the small measuring cup and give it a good stir. Now we'll take a look at our formulas page and add our baby oil drops, our colors. I am using red drops, and our flavors. I'm just using strawberry for this one to make a red strawberry flavor. Then we go ahead and give it a good mix and pour it into our jar. It's important to note that it might thicken up a little as you're trying to pour it in. And now we have our first lip balm. And if we repeat the process with other formulas, we can make all the colors of the rainbow. And the last step will be to add stickers as desired. Now we can move on to making shimmering lip glosses. Our first step is to fill our clean small measuring cup with 7 milliliters of baby oil. Then we add our drops of color according to our formulas. I've decided to add 3 drops of red to make a pinkish hue. And we add our flavors. I have decided to go with a strawberry banana flavor. And last, we add our shimmer, which you really want to shake before you add. And I am adding the maximum 6 drops of shimmer because I want my gloss to be super shimmery. Now we take our little glass bottle and add our mixture. Give it a good shake. I can't get over how pretty and shimmery this is. I think this sticker will be a perfect label. Last, we push in our applicator and test it out. Ooh, so glossy and shimmery. That was so fun and easy, I decided to make a grape-flavored purple one as well. All right, last kit, the Sweet Candy Perfume Lab, the science of scents. Design and name your own perfumes with candy-scented perfume flavors, including peppermint, cotton candy, chocolate, vanilla, cinnamon, and lemon. Experiment with dozens of fragrance combinations on your way to becoming a master perfumer. The full color manual is packed with information about the biology of smell, the chemistry of scents, and the art of making perfumes. All right, let's pull out our goodies. First, we have this big red candy-shaped perfume bottle thing. Then we have this plastic syringe, a bag of cotton swabs, a small pink measuring cup, a sheet of stickers, our manual, and a bag of our jars, ingredients, and other tools. We have 3 plastic perfume bottles, 2 clear, 1 pink, 4 plastic scent jars with pink caps, 6 bags of different perfume-scented paper strips, some red color, a pair of large pink tweezers, and a couple of wood stirring sticks. Now that we're all set up, we can grab our manual and start the process of making our first perfume. It looks like the only extra ingredient that this kit calls for is water. So I grabbed the large measuring cup from our Rainbow Lip Balm kit and filled it up. So for our first step, we grab our syringe and remove the plunger. Then we take our tweezers and grab a perfume-scented strip from one of our scent bags. I'm using lemon. Place it into our syringe. Push our plunger all the way down, squeezing the paper strip, and draw up water to the 5 milliliter mark. Then we draw in some air to the 10 milliliter mark, place our finger over the nozzle, and shake until our paper strip is mostly dissolved. Then we go ahead and squirt our scented water into our measuring cup. Remove the paper strip from the syringe, add 1 cotton ball, and holding our syringe over one of our scent jars, pour our scented water in and squeeze down to filter out any leftover paper fibers. Now we have our first tube of lemon scent. And if we repeat the process a few more times, we will have more scents for mixing perfumes. So now I am going to make a lemon and vanilla scented perfume. So I grab the measuring cup and mix together the lemon and vanilla scents up to 4 milliliters to make a perfume concoction. Now, this is normally where you would add some red color, But since this mixture is vanilla and lemon, I have decided to leave it clear. So after I give it a good mix, I pour it into one of our perfume tubes. Then I go ahead and place it into our big candy bottle, add a fun sticker, and test out the spray. There's even a little spot in our manual to name our concoction. So I'm calling this Lemon Sorbet. That's it! Thank you so much for watching. Which kit was your favorite? I'd say the Sweet Candy Perfume Lab was the easiest. The Groovy Glowing Candy Lab was definitely the messiest. But my favorite had to be the Yummy Rainbow Lip Balm Lab. So another big thanks to Thames Kosmos and Chiscom for sending me these STEM kits. If you liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up or share with your friends, and subscribe for more content. You can also follow me at Collect and Craft on my Instagram and TikTok. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.